Continue. This sample here is for impact testing, so Charpy testing. So I need to reduce this one here to 10 by 10. When I'm talking about 10 by 10, I'm talking about an area of 10 on the thickness and 10 on the width. Right. So this one here right now is 13.25, 13.50. Right. So the parts that we are interested on is the round part. So I'm gonna have to discard this other part and only consider the round part. So I'm gonna have to machine it until I get my square out of the round part. Right. Removed the part that I didn't need. As you can see, this part has been removed. So now I'm gonna focus on my round part, and get a Charpy test impact out of it. Right. So it's gonna take me some machining, but not that much, as I need to go to 10 by 10 millimeter squared. So 10 millimeter one side, 10 millimeter the other side, and this one right now is at 13.26 millimeters. Right. My spacer there to have me machine on top there. So if I can get the depth there is 12.17, so I can machine until I reach the level of my vice, and I won't be under 12 millimeter, under 10 millimeter. So I'm gonna machine on top there, and then after that I'm gonna get square this side as I have the square the other side to have me clamp the sample. Right. machining, you don't need to machine bulk much, but you need to make sure whatever to machine is in the standards. Alright, so the sizes must not be out of the standard. Right, so it's not heavy machinery, but it's something that needs to be done according to the standard. Otherwise, any result I'm gonna get out of this test will be discarded because it's not gonna be according to the standards. You know. So this is how we need to do it. As you can see there, you can see that because now I'm focusing on removing the extra material. Once I remove the extra material, then I'm gonna go and then for the finishing. As you can see now, this sample here is smooth. So I'm gonna get smoother there once I get closer to the final size. Right. So now I'm gonna just try to remove these burrs here. Also, it's quite a size. I want to make it fat. Let's have a look. So as I was saying, this is just the basic of machining of a Charpy sound. Right. I'm a man of so that's one over there is 10.82. Okay. So I'm remain with 0.82 millimeter to get to 10 millimeter 0.0. So now I want to make sure that my sizes are in. So I try to reduce the sizes by using, I'm going to try to reduce the sizes by using my gauge here. Right. Great. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to now start. So there is my sample there. So now you can see how beautiful my sample looks like. Okay, so I'm supposed to go to 10 by 10 millimeters, as you can see 10.03 and 10.07, which is under the tolerance. Okay, do that. See how beautiful it is. So we needed to test this sample, needed to come out from this round part, and this sample was taken out of that round part. So this is so beautifully done. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.